Good morning, friends. Myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I'll be talking about the Q1 2014 Sensex earnings preview. So in Q1 FY14, we expect revenue growth to remain sluggish. On aggregate basis, we expect revenue growth for Sensex companies to be around 3% YOY. That will be the slowest growth in the past several quarters, largely driven by the slowdown in the economy. Also, from the sectoral perspective, we see revenue pressures remaining high for the companies like Reliance Industries and metal sector, whereas for the sectors like IT, FMCG, pharma could see revenue growth in double digits. On the margin fronts, we expect margins to decline by about 50 basis points sequentially for the Sensex companies. Margin pressure will be largely due to rise in the input cost due to rupee depreciation. Earlier we have been seeing that the margins have increased in the past couple of quarters, but the trend should reverse in Q1 FY14. The margin pressures will be slightly higher in the sectors like metal, capital goods and power. However, some sectors like IT and FMCG could see some increase in the EBITDA margins. As far as the earnings growth is concerned, we expect the earnings growth to remain flattish in Q1 FY14. We expect earnings growth to about 0.5% YOY on aggregate basis for the Sensex companies, without considering the provision for the MTM losses on the forex for the companies like Bharti Airtel and L&T. As seen in the previous quarters, the breadth of the earnings is likely to remain poor, as about half of the companies would be reporting negative growth in earnings on a YY basis. So as far as the outlook for the earnings is concerned, we have seen that the consensus earnings estimates have been downgraded in the last 3 months. We were expecting earnings growth of about 14 to 15% about 3 months back, but now we expect the earnings growth to be around 10% for FY14. The downgrade in the earnings estimate has been due to high interest rates, the domestic macro issues and volatility in the global environment. So going ahead post the results, we see further scope for downgrades. However, on positive side, we expect earnings growth to pick up in the second half of current fiscal, led by cyclical recovery in the economy and a lower base effect. However, the global factors is likely to play a significant role in shaping the earnings outlook. Thank you.